everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet a raindrop lace stitch pattern. This is a very pretty stitch pattern. It's very lacy, as you can see here, lightweight and similar on both sides. Today I'm going to be working with a worsted or medium weight yarn. I'll be using the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet and Knit Picks. I'll be pairing it with a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. Links to these items can be found in the description of this video. Also down in the description, you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. You may wish to head over there so that you can follow along with this video. Also down in the description, you'll find a direct link to my 2 crochet books, which are available for sale on Amazon, my Barn Quilt Blanket book, and my collection of favorite crochet stitches, intermediate crochet stitches. You'll find that there as well. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Let's grab our hooks and yarn and get started. Our stitch today is worked in rows, so we're going to start by making a slip knot. You're then going to work a foundation chain, and your foundation chain today will need to be a multiple of 5 stitches plus 4. So today I'm going to go ahead and chain 24. There's 20 stitches, which is my multiple of 5, plus 4 more for 24. Once you have that foundation chain worked, you're going to begin row 1, and you're going to work a double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. You're then going to chain 1, skip the next 2 stitches, and double crochet into the next stitch. Skip the next stitch, and into your next stitch work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet back down into the same stitch. Chain 1. We're going to repeat this across. Skip the next 2 stitches, and into your next stitch work 1 double crochet. Skip the next stitch, and into your next stitch work a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet back into the same stitch, then chain 1. Repeat this across. Skip the next 2 stitches, double crochet into the next stitch, skip the next stitch, and into your next double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet, chain 1, skip the next 2 stitches. When you come across to your final 5 stitches, you're going to skip the next 2 stitches, double crochet into your next stitch, skip the next stitch, and finish off by working 2 double crochets into the final stitch. You're then going to chain 3 and turn your work. For row 2, double crochet into the first stitch at the base of your turning chain. Chain 1, double crochet into the next chain 1 space. So you're skipping the next 2 double crochets into your chain 1 space, double crochet. Then into your next chain 1 space, which was in between the next 2 double crochets, in that next chain 1 space, work a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Chain 1 and repeat. Double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Into your next chain 1 space, work a double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet into the same space. Then chain 1 and repeat. Next chain 1 space, double crochet. Next chain 1 space, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Chain 1 and repeat across. When you come to your final few stitches here, you're going to finish off with a double crochet into that final chain 1 space. So we've worked our chain 1, double crochet into the final chain 1 space, and then into the final chain 3 turning space, you're going to finish off the row with 2 double crochet stitches. Chain 3, turn your work, and repeat. All you're going to do for the rest of your pattern is simply repeat that row 2, beginning with the double crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, and then your double crochets into your chain 1 spaces. And that's all there is to working this very easy raindrop lace stitch pattern. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.